Welcome to EigenFintech. Start your journey by creating an account. Simply enter your email, choose a unique username, and set a secure password. Don't forget to read carefully the terms and conditions and check the box if you agree to start your account. Once done, click Continue to move to the next step. To ensure your account's security, we've sent a verification code to your email address. Enter the code here to confirm your identity. Couldn't reach your email right away? No problem, the code is valid for 2 minutes. Didn't receive the email or 2 minutes passed? Click Resend Code and we'll send it again. Once verified, you're ready to explore our platform. EigenFintech offers 3 flexible subscription plans to fit your trading journey. Newbie, for just $9.99 per month, access cryptocurrency market data, 10 technical analysis strategies, and 2 concurrent paper traders. Pro, our most popular plan at $24.99 per month, adds US and Canada stock data, 25 strategies, and 5 concurrent paper traders. Legend, at $49.99 per month, enjoy full access including 10 concurrent paper traders and machine learning-based trend forecasting. Tip, for the best value, choose the yearly subscription. It includes the same powerful features and 2 months free. Select your plan and click Start Trial to begin. After selecting your plan, you'll be redirected to our secure checkout, powered by Stripe, a globally trusted payment platform used by companies like Amazon, Google, and Shopify. Stripe keeps your payments safe with top-level security, encryption, and fraud protection. Important: EigenFintech never sees or stores your credit card information. All payment processing is handled directly through Stripe. Enter your billing details and click Start Trial to activate your free 7-day trial. You won't be charged until the trial ends, and you can cancel anytime. Got a promo code? Click Add Promotion Code and enter your code in the designated field. Security is our top priority. We highly recommend enabling 2-factor authentication for your account. Just enter your password, and you'll get a QR code to scan with your Authenticator app. This adds an extra layer of protection, keeping your account safe from unauthorized access. You want to delete your account? We're sad to see you go. If you choose to delete your account, all your data and subscription will be permanently removed and you won't be charged for the next billing cycle. Please note, we do not offer refunds for unused time in your current subscription period. Click Delete My Account only if you're absolutely sure. Need to change your subscription plan? It's quick and easy. First, go to the Personal Information tab in your account dashboard. Click on the Billing button, and you'll be redirected to Stripe's secure billing portal. From there, you can view your current plan and renewal date. Switch between Newbie, Pro, or Legend. Plans change between monthly and yearly billing. Update your payment method or billing address. You can upgrade or downgrade anytime. Your new plan will take effect immediately or at the end of your current billing period. You're now all set to navigate your dashboard and learn more about different tools at your disposal to trade efficiently. Happy trading!